Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, Merry Christmas for those of you who celebrate Christmas. Although I don't celebrate Christmas, I'm very excited for those of you who do. And so I do have a special treat today. So if you're interested in seeing what it is, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys are having a great day. And it is still early in the morning here for me on Christmas Day. So a Merry Christmas for those of you who do celebrate Christmas. And I do not, but I can always wish that to those who do. And today is a special video, and I'm going to keep you away from whatever you're doing for a very short time because I know you may be celebrating, you may be needing to run to an open store if you can find one to buy the battery that you forgot to buy for your child's toy, and they're jumping up and down and say, we need batteries. Been there, done that. And so I want to make sure that I give you that time. But thank you so much for joining me today. And like I said, I hope you're having a great day. And if you are alone and if you didn't have the opportunity to really get together with your family because of the environment that we're living in right now, you know, just hang in there. I totally understand because I haven't seen my daughter in about a year now. And I really miss her. She's an only child. She's my only kid. And, you know, she's so far away. And I ended up having to mail everything to her. But it's just not the same, right? And I'm just glad that she does have a roommate and she has people up there in Washington where she lives. And so that's at least a little bit of a comfort for me to know that she's doing okay. And I hope you guys are doing okay too. But like I said, hang in there. And today I want to bring a little bit of light. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but today is the 24th and I have to record it for the 25th tomorrow, okay? But I'm at 297 subscribers, 297 beautiful wildflowers out there. And it's almost 300. And that is so exciting for me. And I just want to say to all of you, thank you guys so very much from the bottom of my heart. And I could not do that without you. And like I've said in other videos, I expected maybe 50 people. I would have been totally fine with that because, you know, I don't do this for monetization reasons. I'm not there to make money or get, you know, free stuff from people. That's not what it's about. It's about me creating content that will help you and that could actually make a difference in your life, which in turn makes a difference in my life that I help somebody, right? And so anyway, thank you so much. And I want to just go ahead and give you a sneak peek of what I have here for you. And it's a very small sneak peek. And so just keep in mind that you only see the tip of the iceberg. And the first thing I want to share with you is this here. And this is a beautiful bag. It's Luna Magic. And what's inside the bag, and the bag itself is kind of gorgeous, but what's inside is most important, right? It's these 4 beautiful brushes and this 4 beautiful colors, right? And these are eye brushes. And these will be going to the winner. And you say, well, eye brushes, that means must be some kind of a palette in there. And you be right. And there's going to be at least one palette. But I'm going to show you what they are. And here's the first one. And look at the color story. I know this looks a little bit non-winter, more of a spring and summer. And that is the whole purpose because we're not going to be in winter forever, you know. And so I got to get you guys ready, pull you out of winter and get you happy about spring coming up and new opportunities in 2021. And so this is actually by Essence, and I think I told you about this company before. It's a German company, and this palette here is called Hey LA, Los Angeles, and it has the famous Santa Monica Highway 66 sign, and this is just such a neat palette, and beautiful color story, and it has a beautiful mirror as well. That's going to you. And then the next one is the Shayna B Miami palette. And if you recall, I just recently received a Shayna B palette that the mirror was broken, and that was the set of blushes. You remember that? Well, those are blushes. I knew I had one, but these aren't blushes. These are actually eyeshadows. And they are so beautiful. I just looked at them. Comes with a mirror again. And it comes with a perfectly balanced 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. And I believe a couple of these are metallics. And they have cute names like Hall Over Nude. Hall Over is a beach in South Florida, actually. Everglades. Most of you probably know what that is. And also Cafecito for the brown cafecito. What Cubans call coffee, the cafe, right? Cafecito. So anyway, very cute palette. So this will be going in the giveaway. And next will be the mascara by Wonder Beauty. And this is a basic black mascara. I'm not going to open it, because if I do, then the time starts a ticking, and I don't want to do that. Okay. And then the next one is a full-size Bobbi Brown lipstick in Cali Rose. And the reason why I'm giving this away is because actually I love this color so much. I guess I didn't know that I already owned it, and I ordered a second one. And so here it is. And let me show you what it looks like. And like I said, this is Bobbi Brown, beautiful, and I love her lipsticks. And they're true to color, and they're very opaque. So even if you have a darker color lip, it's going to cover. And so that's going to you. And next, and the last thing I want to show you, rest of it will be a surprise, is this here. And this is the IPSY bag, yeah, the IPSY bag from Halloween time, right, from October, and it says Your Magic in the back. And it's not just the bag, and it's not what came with the IPSY, but what I did was I filled it with little stocking stuffer like goodies. And in here includes like things like 3 nail polishes in these shades, okay? And there is also a eyebrow kit, and I would open, no, I don't want it because it's sealed. So it is a kit with the brush in 2 different shades. And there is also another, oh, let me put that all out in there, another cute little mascara. And these are all of these products are actually by Essence. And this here is a highlighter, also by Essence, but it has the holiday, it actually has the holiday container. Yep, there it is, right there. Okay. And, to be honest with you, these came out of the advent calendar from Essence. And the reason why I didn't do the actual opening on video for the Essence is because it came kind of destroyed, the box of it, the outside, the picture. So it looked really bad. And so I said, you know what, I'm going to pull the products out and I will give it away in a giveaway because the products are fine. It's just the box itself, the advent calendar came in like in a very thin box. And yeah, it was kind of beat up when it came through the mail, and I was kind of sad about it. But I said, you know what? I'll just go ahead and take the contents and give it, like a stocking stuffer to somebody. So anyway, that's that so far. So like I said, there's going to be more, and I'll tell you how much more, okay? Being that we're close to 300, and I'm hoping that we reach 300 before the end of the year. And so it'd be nice to start 2021 with 300 or 300 plus. So this giveaway will have at least $300 value. How's that? Will that work? Okay. And so it's the same rules as usual. You must be subscribed. You must like this video. And extra entries for Instagram, and I'll give you the directions on how to do that. And I'll also post the thumbnail that's going with this one with the instructions as well. Okay. And also please make sure that you are subscribed, because I've had a couple of times now, and I think I said that in my other video, is that when I go back and the name is picked randomly actually by the software, and what I do is once it picks it, I look and see, make sure they followed everything that, it's hard for me to see if you like the video. That's kind of darn impossible. But I will know if you're subscribed or not. Unless, of course, you are a hidden subscriber, then, I may not see you as a subscriber. Then I would reach out and say, hey, are you a subscriber? And so, yeah. And so it's actually is difficult. And so what I need to do is make sure that you guys are subscribed, because otherwise I have to pick another name, because those are the rules, to be fair. Okay. And now what else? What else? I think that's it. I think that is it. I know I'm forgetting something, and if I did, I will put them in the details, okay? And I'm sure it's something, some rule of some kind, but oh, yeah. See, now I remember. Use the word holiday in a comment below. Okay. And you only need to make one comment, because the software actually does filter out more than one comment in these. And so go ahead and just, you can comment as many times as you want, but and more the better, actually. But just to be honest, if you put holiday in 10 different ones, it's not going to pick all 10 of them. So it will just pick one of them. Okay. So keeping transparency here, but please do comment, because I love your comments, and put anything you want to see below. And hopefully, I think that's it. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys have a good day. I meant to keep this under 5 minutes. That didn't happen. So anyway, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on, subscribe. And also click that bell button, so that way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, so what do I always say? And I truly mean it. Remember, my beautiful wildflowers, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.